Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fantastic day today. Thank you for joining me here and thanks as well for supporting to my channel. To all my soul family and soul tribes, thank you for your support. I really do appreciate. To those who are new in this channel, welcome. Rose watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? What are the best possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. That's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world, and I am one of them. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Eight of Vessels. We also have the Ace of Spades, the Five of Vessels, the Ten of Vessels. Wow, too many cups here. The Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Vessels, another cups, the Ten of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Staves, which is the Six of Wands. We also have the Four of Vessels, which is the Four of Cups, the Lovers, and at the bottom of the deck we have the Hierophant. I will pick one bonus card. The Ace of Swords. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your card readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If it is not resonates to you guys, just leave it. Take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Eight of Vessels. This is a water sign energy. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You walk away and withdrawn in a certain scenario. It's because it could also be that there is deception here, vagueness, not clear. For some of you guys, this is related to your family, to your friend circle, to your workplace. It could also be your ex or in the community. But I feel like somebody here is emotionally detached. Somebody here withdrawn in this scenario. Could also be a deception. Could also be that this scenario isn't clear. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the Ace of Spades. This is the obstacles and influences in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is a new beginning of creative spark. For some of you guys, this is a new ideas, and you accept the challenge. Others of you, it could also be that this is a new beginning of passion and desire, and you also accept the challenge. Could also be that this new beginning of passion and desire will leads you to a platonic and or romantic relationship. It could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, either Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I feel like you have also passion and desire, and you have a fire in your heart. You are very excited, and you take an action. It's because you want to bring this into a reality. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Five of Vessels. This is a Scorpio energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign as Scorpio, and or it could also be that this is your energy. Somebody here is feeling regrets and remorse. Somebody here is disappointed about their actions in the past, because this is a past scenario. Somebody here is still clinging in the past. I feel like you are dealing with the same sign, Scorpio, or it could also be that these are the group of people. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle. Could also be your ex or in the community. This group of people or person are regretful for hurting you. It could also be that this group of people in the past are backstabbing you, talking negative words about you, spreading lies about you, and rumors and gossips. And now, this group of people are feeling regrets and remorse. They are disappointed. They wish that they didn't did it to you. They are feeling regretful for the things and their actions in the past. Could be that you are dealing as well with a Scorpio. Could also be these are the group of people. Others of you guys, if this is your energy, the universe advises you to eradicate these negative emotions and feelings. Because the past couldn't be changed, it can only be accepted. You don't have to cry over a spilled milk that is wasted and cannot be regained. Move on and change these negative emotions and feelings into a positive one. You have always an infinite potential. Take only what fits in your story. This is the base of the situation. Could also be that you are disappointed with this group of people in the past. Okay. And we have here the Ten of Vessels. This is a Cancer energy, which is the Ten of Cups. This is related to home and family. This is a happily ever after relationship. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with either a Cancer or Pisces, or you have a Cancer or Pisces in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like you want to settle down, to have a longevity in a relationship, because you want to build and establish foundation of a family with your partner and your future kids, if you are still single. But if you are married, you want to have a harmonious family relationship where there is love and harmony, because you are very tired of lots of drama and fighting. Others of you, it could also be that this person viewed you as a marriage material, and this person wants to marry you, to commit with you, because this person viewed you as the best candidate to be the mother or the father of their kids. Or it could also be you, that this is your feelings towards to this person, and this is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. It could be that you are dealing with Pisces or Cancer. It could also be other sign, but this is related to home and family. You're happily ever after. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Four of Pentacles. This is a Capricorn energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is holding back. Somebody here doesn't want you to go. Or it could be you, that you are holding back with this person. This Capricorn. I feel like this is the energy of other person. This person doesn't want you to go. This person is still holding back, holding on with this, with your energy. For some of you guys, it could also be in your workplace, in your family circle, in your friend circle, or it could also be your ex and or in the community. But somebody here is could be holding back their position, controlling or maintaining the balance of this relationship. Others of you, it could also be related to financial matters. Somebody here is holding back the financial matters. I don't know what you have. Could also be a relationship. Could also be that you are dealing with a Capricorn, or these are the group of people. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And this is your energy on the next 12 months in the distant future. And the past experiences and influences in this reading is the Seven of Vessels, which is the Seven of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, Scorpio. Double confirmation. You look, the Five of Vessels, which is the Five of Cups, is also Scorpio energy. Could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, Scorpio, the other Scorpio, the low vibes, not the Scorpio that I am reading. I feel like somebody here had too many options, or it could also be that this person doesn't want you to be in the lights. This person wants to hide you, to put you inside the box. Yeah. It could also be that this person is fantasizing and daydreaming about you. Could also be that somebody has procrastinating. It could also be that this is your energy, you have too many options, or the other person you are dealing with who embody the energy of the same sign, Scorpio. I feel like For some of you, if this is related in your workplace, it could also be that this is your colleague at work or your boss. Maybe this person is intimidated with your energy or jealous about your confidence. Yeah. And that's why this person doesn't want you to show your talents. That's why they want you to keep inside the box. I feel like in the past, this person gaslight you. Could also be that this person putting you in an option in the workplace. If this is in your relationship, this person had too many options and you are one of these options, or it could be you. This is your energy towards the other person. But I am reading with your energy. I feel like this is the energy of other Scorpio. And now this person is daydreaming, fantasizing, and having a hallucination. Because I feel like this person as well are feeling regrets and remorse for what they have done to you in the past. Could also be a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, or in the community. Could also be your ex. Because the 5 of vessels and the 7 of vessels is not only one person. You look 5 and 7. And please pay attention with the number 5-7 or 7-5. It's because I feel like the universe wants to give you a message with this number. Somebody had too many options, and that's why somebody here is confused. Or it could also be that this person is daydreaming, fantasizing about you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be other Scorpio. This person who was regretful in the past. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And your energy in your environment is the 10 of Swords. This is a Gemini energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like you managed to close the tough cycle of your life. This is pain, sorrow, troubles, and turbulences in your life, where lots of people tried to backstab you or already backstab you. It was a painful cycle because this group of people could be in your family, in your friend circle, could also be in your workplace. This is the past scenario. Could also be in the community or your ex. This group of people brought you too much pain, too much sorrow, too much burdens in your heart and in your mind. For some of these people, guys, I feel like they are praying for your downfall. They are spreading lies about you. I hear that for some of them, they wish your death. It could also be that others of them, they engage you in a witchcraft voodoo because they want to destroy you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know what you have done with these people, but most of the time, or oftentimes, it's because of envy and jealousy, or it is also because of your intimidating aura and energy, especially when you meet these people who have a low vibes. These people who are insatiable with their own lives because they are not happy and they are boring. Hurt people hurt people. It could also be that they are jealous of your lives. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I feel like most of these people are dragging your name into the mud, slander your name, talking negative words about you, that the Scorpio is like this, that the Scorpio is like that. And they tried everything just to mock you down, just to destroy you. but they failed because you managed to close the cycle. You don't care with these people anymore. For some of them, guys, or most of you, you already cut off the ties of these people. You block also in the social media and in your mobiles because you don't care with this group of people anymore. That brought you too much pain and heartaches. Yeah. These are the people who are making fun, whose fun is making troubles. Yeah. Because they are happy when somebody is suffering. There are lots of people nowadays who are like that. I have also experienced before. Around 4 to 5 years ago in my workplace, I am too kind with these people. I am generous. I always support with these people, but in the end, I am the bad one. I can relate because I have experienced this as well. No matter how kind you are to the people, no matter how nice or you show your compassion to these people, if the people are jealous and envy, you have no chance. They will break you. They will try to manipulate you. They will try to control you. They will do everything just to destroy you, to knock you down. And these are the group of people what I am referring for in the past. And you manage to close the tough cycle. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Ace of Pentacles. This is an earth sign energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or you have an earth sign in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. I feel like you are opening the doors of golden opportunity. For some of you, this is related to a career, a job, an investment, or a new business venture. It could also be a study. I don't know what you have, but I feel like this golden opportunity has a lot of possibilities in order for you to have a financial success and abundance. Could also be that somebody will offer this to you, or it could be you. You are starting this creativity, this new investment, or a new business venture. Take only what fits in your story, okay? For some of you guys, it could also be that somebody will offer this to you, either an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. This is your immediate future, around 3 weeks. You're opening the doors of golden opportunity, which is related to material world. And we have here the hopes and fears is the Six of Staves. This is the Six of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like you are going to recognize here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and there is success as well. People recognize you for your skills, for your talents, for your knowledge. Could be your work as well, and you are going to celebrate her with this group of people. Could be in the community or in your family. There is success and recognition here. But remember, when you are going, or when you are go to achieve a success in your life, not all people are happy for you. There are people who are your secret haters and frenemies. But who cares? You have here a success and recognition. So congratulations, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is your hopes and fears. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, just a minute, because I'm going to change my sound, the music. This is the final outcome of this reading is the Four of Vessels, which is the Four of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer. You have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here missed the opportunity to be with you. And this person is still clinging in your energy. And for some of you guys, you already rejected this person. Could be a Cancer. Or it could also be that these are the group of people in your family, in your friend circle, in your workplace. Could also be in the community. But I feel like somebody here missed the opportunity, and you already also rejected this person, especially related to love and relationship. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to turn around. You don't have to cling to the past. Yeah, because the past couldn't be changed. It can only be accepted, and you have always an infinite potential to eradicate these negative feelings, to change it into a positive one. Just turn around, because the universe is at your back. Take only what fits in your story, but I feel like this is the energy of the other person, which is Cancer, because I feel like you already rejected this person in the past. And we have here the Lovers. This is the outside influence. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is related to love and relationship. For some of you guys, if you are married, be very careful, because maybe there is a temptation here. Others of you, if you are still single, this is your twin flame, divine feminine or divine masculine, and this is your time to reunite. For some of you, you are going to meet this person in Gemini season, or it could also be during the fall season, because Gemini is swords, and swords is, yeah, the fall season. Or it could also be in Gemini season. Both of you here having a duality and chemistry. Both of you are also attracted with each other. There is a sensuality here. It could also be that you have a past life connection with this person. Yeah. And this meeting will lead into a platonic and a romantic relationship. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is the best time for you to make an important choices, an important decision in your life. But remember, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, if you are making a choice, you are free everything, whatever you choose, because at the end of the day, you are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. But remember, in making an important decisions in life, please be true and be honest to yourself. Be wise and be strong. And don't forget that love is the greatest gift. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is the outside influence. And to clarify the outcomes of this reading is the Hierophant. This is a Taurus energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is related to your faith and commitment. For some of you, could also be about marriage, traditional values, religion, and beliefs. Could also be that you are dealing with this person, and this person who embodied the energy of Taurus wants to marry you, to offer you a commitment, to bring this relationship into a higher level, and that's to marry you. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, you are following your intuition. You're doing lots of meditation. Others of you, it could also be that you are connecting with the spiritual realm. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Maybe you are a shaman, a spiritual advisor, a tarot reader. Could also be a psychic. And For some of you guys, this is related to commitment. Yeah, you look, because somebody here wants to have a longevity in a relationship, a strong foundation. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Cancer or Pisces and or Taurus. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, just a minute, because and we have here your bonus card is the Ace of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or you have an air sign in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like for some of you, this is a new signing of contract. It could also be related to a new ideas, a new project, or a new perspective. Others of you, it could also be that you are going to receive here a clarity, a clear communication. But you already have a clarity here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You have a mental clarity and your mind is as clear as a crystal. And others of you, you have a concentration and your mind is clear. You can focus whatever you want to do. And that's why if this is a new ideas, it will lead you to a victory, a success. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please. Again, the Ten of Swords here. Why the Ten of Swords in this reading? Oh my gosh. The Ten of Swords is again. Every time when I read it, it comes out the Ten of Swords. Why the Ten of Swords in this reading? Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising. Thank you, spirits. The Ten of Swords is clarified as finality. Yeah, look. The Ten of Swords is clarified as finality. You are saying goodbye to all the pain, the chaos, the sorrow, and the destruction where people are putting you in this scenario. Yeah. You look, this is the clarification of the Ten of Swords. Yeah. You give this a final closure. You say farewell to all the pain, to all the people who causes too much pain in my heart and in my mind, to all the people who make my life sad, who wants to destroy me, to all the people with whom I am so generous and compassionate, and I am too nice and I support them as well, but in the end they backstab me. And that's why you manage to say goodbye. This is the closure. You manage to take one by one of these swords at your back. Although it was so painful, because I feel like for some of these people, you already learned to love. Maybe in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or could also be in the community. You have gone through in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And now, I fully understand if you close, you give final farewell, goodbye, leaving behind. This is the closure, the finality of all the pain. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the Six of Wands here, which is the Six of Staves. Why the Six of Staves here? Tell me more about the Six of Staves in this reading. The Six of Staves is clarified as exhaustion, depletion, drain, and long journey. For some of you guys, it could also be that you work too hard and you are feeling exhausted and drained. Yeah. Others of you, it could also be that you work far from your place You are feeling drained and exhausted of traveling. It could also be that you have too much work and you are feeling drained and exhausted. And you deserve to have success and recognition. This is the Six of Spades, which is the Six of Wands. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Leo. And this person recognized you already. It could also be in the past, this person is indecisive and never recognized your relationship with them. And now this person recognized you already. But you are feeling exhausted and drained. Yeah. It could also be that this person is living far away from you. Maybe you are traveling or this person traveling towards on you. That this person recognized you already. But I feel like it's too late because you look. It could also be that this person is one of this person who give too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. And you give the finality, closure, goodbye, farewell. Could also be a Leo. Or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the Seven of Cups here. Tell me more about the Seven of Cups in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Seven of Cups here? The Seven of Cups is clarified as woo, intimacy. It could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, the Scorpio, and this person is fantasizing about you related to intimacy. Could also be that this person is your ex. You look, intimacy, bonding, sensual, and compiling. Yeah. It could also be that this person wants to bind you again, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Yeah. This person is fantasizing and daydreaming about you. Could be a Scorpio. Could also be other sign. This is your ex because I feel like this is also the person who are feeling regrets and remorse for what they have done to you in the past. You look. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the Five of Cups in this reading. Tell me more about the Five of Cups here. Show me the cards what I need to see please. Why the Five of Cups here? The Five of Cups is clarified as abandon, left out, walk away, cold. You look. The Five of Cups is clarified as abandon, walk away, left out, and cold. Yeah. For some of you guys, you have nothing to do with this person anymore. Could also be a group of people. Could also be a Scorpio. Or a group of people in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. And you have nothing to do with this group of people anymore. Now they are feeling regrets and remorse. They feel that you are abandoning them because you walk away from this scenario. You look. The Eight of Vessels. You're withdrawn in this scenario. This is your first card. And now they are feeling abandoned by you. I feel like you don't care with him anymore because you're already giving them a finality, a closure, goodbye. And now you look. These are the feelings of the people in the past. Yeah. This group of people who are praying for your downfall, who are spreading lies about you, and now they are feeling abandoned by you because you walk away in this certain scenario. You look, you are very tired and sick with this group of people. It could also be your ex is included. You look. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please the Hierophant in this reading. Why the Hierophant here? Tell me more about the Hierophant in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Hierophant here, please? The Hierophant is clarified as Divine Feminine. Yeah. If you are a male, this is your Divine Feminine. If you are a female, this is your Divine Masculine. You look. This person wants to commit you, to marry you, to bring this relationship into a higher level, a higher commitment. You look. Could also be that this is a Gemini or Taurus. This is the lovers. Yeah. You're going to meet this person and both of you having a strong attraction with each other, especially sensuality. Both of you mirroring each other. Could be a Gemini or a Taurus. You look. This is the reunion of Divine Masculine and Divine Feminine. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the 10 of Cups here. Why the 10 of Cups here, please? Why the 10 of Cups in this reading? Tell me more about the 10 of Cups here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. The 10 of Cups is clarified as realizations and epiphanies. I feel like this person having an epiphanies and realization that you are a marriage material, that you are the best person to be the mother or the father of their kids. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces. Could also be a Cancer. 10 of Cups is related to home and family, but this is the energy of Pisces as well. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces or a Cancer. It could also be that these are the group of people in the past, in your family, in your friend circle, in your workplace, your ex, or in the community. And these people or person having an epiphanies and realizations. Yeah. They have now an awakenings. That's why somebody here or the group of people are feeling regretful for what they have done to you. And you look, they have now an epiphanies, a realization, and awakenings. Could also be that this person wants to have a strong foundation, wants to marry you, to have a marriage proposal. Could be a Pisces, Cancer, either Pisces or Cancer. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the 8 of Cups here. Thank you, spirits. The 8 of Cups is clarified as influences, attachment, third parties, and fears. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, because the 8 of Cups or 8 of Vessels is embodied the energy of a Pisces. Could also be other sign. Could also be that these are the group of people in the past. And this is the clarification. Influences, attachment, third party. This person could be engaging you in a third party situation, a love triangle. It could also be that this person having an influence. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And for some of you, it could also be that this person want to attach you, their energy, your energy, and their energy together, to patch it up together. Could be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, and this person put you in a third party situation, a love triangle. Maybe this person have an influence. Could also be that this person was already married in the past, because this is a past scenario. That's why you walk away in this situationship, because of deception, vagueness, and not clear. Somebody has emotionally detached. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. Why the Four of Cups? Why the Four of Cups here, please? Tell me more about the Four of Cups in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Four of Cups here? The Four of Cups is clarified as trap. This is the clarification of the Four of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. It could also be that this person is already committed with somebody else, and that's why this person is feeling trapped in a karmic relationship. Yeah, look, that's why somebody has missed the opportunity. It could also be that you are already rejected this person. Vice versa, guys, take only if it is resonates to you, because in tarot it could also be reversal, and it doesn't matter if you are male or female, okay? And somebody here is trapped, stuck, tied down, and captured. Could also be that this person, at the time you meet this person who embodied the energy of Cancer, or it could also be other sign, this person was already married. This person was already committed with someone else. That's why this person is stuck, and this person missed the opportunity to have you in their lives because this person was already married. Could be as well that this person is already having a partner, and that's why there is a feeling of stuck and tied down, because for some of you, you knew that this person was committed to someone else, somebody else. Others of you guys, you are rejected this person, and that's why you look, somebody has missed the opportunity, but this person is still clinging in your energy. Could be this person is trapped with a karmic partner. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, is Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And that ends your readings for today, guys. If it resonates to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, thanks for subscribing, for your great comments, and for all your support to my channel. I love you all. Until the next time, bye.